morning. I'm going to go over what you need to do on your cookie dough ready HyperDoc activity. We're looking at informational text and nonfiction articles with our nonfiction article of the week. This week we're going to be looking at how we compare and contrast texts on the same topic. The first thing I want you to do is just for a little bit of fun, and you're going to go to the Ben & Jerry's ice cream website and take a quiz. You're going to find out which half-baked chunk is more like you. Make sure you give me your answer here, and then tell me if you think that it matches up with your personality, just for a little bit of fun. When we get into our activity, just like we've done in previous weeks, you have an article that looks similar to this. Don't eat the cookie dough. If you want to hear the article read to you, click here, and the audio will come up also. Tell me one thing that you learned. There should be lots of things, but tell me the one thing that really stuck out to you. And then you're going to create and complete your text evidence activity. You can use your Cami extension to do the highlighting on your original Don't Eat the Cookie Dough article. When you've finished both of those, please take your quiz. Remember that our quizzes are for a grade and that you should always do your best. The next page, you're going to come to an infographic that tells you what's cooking with cookies. It's some fun information, and it's going to be helpful when you get to the end of your assignment and you have to make your own infographic. There are just a few questions below. When you finish that, we're going to look at comparing and contrasting two different articles. So here you have another article about cookie dough from the CDC, and you're going to read that and tell me one more new thing that you've learned. We're going to take information from both articles. It would probably be best to do a split screen on your computer so that you can see both articles as you answer these questions. We're going to look at the central idea. We're going to look at author's purpose also. When you get finished, there's another video about why you should never eat raw cookie dough. You can click on the link here and it'll take you directly to it on YouTube. Make sure that you answer the questions here. And then now that you have a lot of knowledge on why people should not eat cookie dough, I want you to create an infographic. I want you to tell me some of the statistics, some of the facts, and other useful information that could help others decide if they should or should not eat raw cookie dough. Your points will be based off of this rubric. Please make sure that you have looked at all of the areas using graphics, using statistics, using facts or other text, and make sure that you look at the number requirements for each of those things so that you can make the best grade possible. If you have questions, don't forget that you can always shoot me a quick email. I'm here for you, and I hope that you learn a lot about why you should not eat cookie dough.